Pages from the book The Man Who Saved India by Hindol Sengupta. Sardar Patel and his idea of India. It was 1899. Famine had brought down Kheda's district population from around 10 lakhs to 7 lakhs by 1901. It had taken the area about 17 years to recover, and writing in that year, an assistant settlement officer of Kheda observed, having met and talked to many persons who went through the famine of 1900, and having myself seen the scarcity years of 1911 and 12 and 1915 and 16, I am greatly impressed with the progressive ability of the people to cope up with famine condition. They made a wonderful recovery. The floods came just as Kheda got back on its feet. By December 1970, Patel and Gokuldas Parekh were touring the flood-affected region to understand the extent of the crisis. Patel arrived in Kheda several weeks before Gandhi with the Mahatma merely advising from Champaran that the workers observe the greatest restraint, to use courteous language in their discussion and speeches, and above all, to adhere strictly to facts. But all initial attempts at a negotiated settlement failed, including Gandhi's suggestion that an independent inquiry commission be set up. By 1918, Gandhi and his trusted Lieutenant Patel were in Kheda making a detailed location by location assessment of the damage due to floods. The Mahatma even made an offer of final compromise to the government. If you are able to postpone the land revenue recovery work until my inquiry is completed, it will help me a great deal in reducing the discontent that has grown and spread among the people. This too was rejected. Gandhi was determined to conduct his inquiry, but he had to demand there was another demand of Gujarat Sabha. Someone from Sabha would have to devote himself full time to this project. Patel stood up. There was no doubt about his criticality to the mission. He was a native. He knew the landscape and the people. He spoke their language. These were not negligible factors, especially since research on Kheda Satyagraha had shown that a complex, indeed bewildering set of factors led to the protest. It wasn't that the farmers were absolutely improvised. In fact, as has been mentioned previously, the floods came at a time when the region was back on its feet. Also, as soon as the no rent campaign was called off in June 1918, the Patedars, helped by a successful rabi crop, had no difficulties at all in paying their dues. Why did the rising Koli cultivators, who were worse hit by the great famine and had bad seasons which sporadically followed, not only refused to pay the government revenue demands, the cohesiveness and the militancy shown by the Patedars at such times suggest that much more lay behind the rural protests. than could ever be covered and explained by straightforward economism. It indeed a strong man of the Patidar own caste to trigger. It required that kind of man. Then hold together a revolt led by them against the British. It needed some inspirational person like Patel who not only brought the whiff of power with him from a big city but also knew how to speak to the village folks. He spoke their language. Remember that a potter puts himself about a mound. He puts about a mound of things on his donkey. If it is able to carry it, he increases the load to 2 mounds. Similarly, as you carry the load, the government goes on adding to it. Throw away the load. Throw away the load which you have been carrying so far, and do not be afraid. It was only Patel, because he was one of them, who could express his explicit annoyance when he found farmers from his own village vacillating about joining the Satyagraha. When I see the condition of this village today, I am taken aback to my childhood days when the elders of the village carried themselves with such dignity that the revenue officers accepted their advice and sat most humbly in front of them. Today, the position is quite opposite, and I see you frightened of officials. This is clearly due to lack of unity amongst yourselves. Please stand up. If even on an occasion like this you are not able to get rid of disunity, when you will be able to do that? So forget everything